About the cholesterol theory of heart disease today with Dr. Jim Kliamovich and Dr. David Fultz of Kliamovich Chiropractic in Sweet Valley and Shavertown. Gentlemen, good to see you today.
Good to see you also, Dave.
Well, as far as the cholesterol theory of heart disease, you talk about 20 years of statin medications. Tell us what you mean by that. Let's start with you, David.
Well, generally the accepted theory that there has been with heart disease is that high cholesterol has been the cause of it. But recently, a renowned heart surgeon had come out, Dr. Lundell, and he kind of talked about what chiropractors have been saying for a long time, that high cholesterol isn't really the main cause of heart disease.
And the interesting thing is that to some extent, cholesterol is necessary in the body.
That's right. Cholesterol is used for many functions in the body, and what really seems to be the cause of heart disease is a systemic inflammation of the vessels of the body, which causes cholesterol to stick to the artery walls, and not necessarily an increase in cholesterol does not necessarily mean that it will stick any more than any other time without the inflammation.
And what's amazing about the body, Dr. Jim, is if you try to take cholesterol out of your diet, it's going to go ahead and try to make some more of it.
Sure. Cholesterol is produced by your liver, so if you decrease how much your intake is, your liver is just going to produce more of it. And as Dr. Dave said, saying that cholesterol is responsible for heart disease is similar to saying that the police car at the accident had something to do with the accident. It's a cause and effect. It's at any area of the body that has inflammation, you will find cholesterol.
So you mentioned about coronary artery inflammation. So if you decrease that, essentially what will happen is decreased formation of plaque.
Absolutely. One of the big supplements that are in the news all the time that we talk about is fish oil or omega-3 fatty acid. What happens is there is a cascade of events, chemical reactions within the body that produces inflammation and the inflammation byproducts. By taking omega-3 fatty acids, your fish oil, it can actually block the production of inflammation. Therefore, if you can reduce the inflammation in those coronary arteries, you can therefore reduce the plaquing, reducing heart disease.
All right, so the answer may be in taking the omega-3 fatty acid and fish oils. Dr. Jim, for our viewers that need more help or information from you or perhaps want to set up an appointment, how can they do that?
They can contact myself or Dr. Dave at 477-2778 or visit our website at kcopro.com.
All right, Dr. David Fultz and Dr. Jim Kliamovich from Kliamovich Chiropractic in Sweet Valley and Shavertown, thanks so much for being on the show today.
Thank you very much for having us.